Across India, one planning line can transform a parcel's permissible use, scale, feasibility, and value. Yet many development and regional plans remain ungeofrenced scans, so most citizens cannot locate their properties. ArcGenesis turns these fragmented public systems into inspectable workflows. ArcGenesis makes these workflows traceable and computable. The problem is India-wide. Maharashtra is our proving ground. Our automatic georeferencing pipeline places planning rasters over the land they govern. Machine learning reads roads, water and survey evidence. Geometry accepts a placement only when independent signals agree. Judges can fade the urban DP and rural RP over satellite imagery and inspect the alignment. Across the engines, conversation and manual controls are two interfaces to the same case. The user provides the plot dimensions and location in ordinary language. ArcGenesis locates the site on its development plan, identifies the zone, road and surrounding planning constraints, and turns that evidence into inspectable facts. The deterministic UDCPR engine then calculates the building potential, permissible built-up area, setbacks, floor plates, and the number of floors required to utilize the maximum built-up area. For this plot, the engine returns 6 habitable floors with a partial 6th floor, fully consuming 1,782 square meters. It draws the true-to-measurement floor plate, builds the 3D massing, and generates a report showing FSI, floor plates, compliance checks and rule citations. Geometry-derived outputs are clearly identified. This is not presented as a sanction drawing. Valuation uses the same pattern. We attach the 712, then describe a rented G+2 building, 850 square meters, 4 flats, to shops, and monthly rent. Another message records outgoings, capitalization rate, remaining life, and rates. The engine reroutes to the income approach. Each assumption stays visible, and the IBBI-aligned draft remains for the registered valuer to review and sign. Property search turns 15 official systems into one evidence plan. It completes permitted steps, stops for the human at every captcha, and organizes records and red flags. Arc AI carries documents, conversation and audit history across engines, ready to meet users on familiar messaging channels. ArcGenesis pairs domain practice with Codex. Architects supplied the rules and judgment. Codex and GPT 5.6 help design workflows, audit engines, diagnose georeferencing failures, and build acceptance tests. During Build Week, we unified 4 engines, restored deterministic project state, added judge-ready-proof surfaces, and produced this film. The system leaves professionals in control, with more time for judgment. ArcGenesis is an intelligence layer for India's land system.